Hey guys, Galactic Force Media. Check out this unboxing video of the Monstrum Tactical Stealth Series 4x30 optic. So we're just going to get this open here. Monstrum Tactical is a company out here out of California, and they put out some really great glass for your rifles, and I've taken advantage of a lot of their sales with their red dots and their 3x prism scopes, and I am adding this one to the arsenal. This was $79.99, which was pretty mind-blowing for what you're going to see in the unboxing. But Monstrum Tactical does put out some good stuff. 704 Tactical actually does their reviews exclusively, and that's what got me turned on to their optics. So they do offer a lifetime guarantee on the optic itself. I don't believe that covers you smashing it to the ground and claiming to get a new one, but they do have a guarantee. It comes with the instructions. And then it comes with a cool American flag in black and white. Put that on the side over there. And also we have a instruction guide on how to mount it to your rail. So this goes right onto a pick rail. It has all the necessary and needed tools. And that'll help you there. We have our cleaning cloth, which, man, I collect these just because I wear glasses, and they're all over the house. So I use them more on my glasses than the actual optics. And, of course, you have your two tools, mounting tools to get them onto your pick rail and getting the optic into the mount itself. So right now we're pulling out the mount, which is wrapped nicely. But this is a very well put together sturdy metal. And this is what you're going to throw on your pick rail itself onto your rifle. And there you go right there. Very well built. You can put it either way, which is going to help with how your rifle is set up. Next, we're going to take out the actual optic itself. Again, wrapped nicely, good presentation. Looks like they do put a lot of thought into their packaging to make sure you're getting the absolute best product possible. Now, taking this out of the package, this does have a nice weight to it. It's solid. It feels well made. It does not feel cheap. Again, to reference 704 Tactical, they actually do a water bottle test where they take a full bottle of water and they slam the ever-living hell out of the bottle, and they put it on back onto the rifle, and it does not lose zero. This particular model here comes with the flip-up sights, which is a plus because some of their other models you actually have to buy the flip-up sights separately. That's all that is in the actual box there. But again, nice presentation with the flip-up box. And we are definitely going to be throwing this onto one of our recently acquired rifles and hopefully zero it out to 100 plus yards at the range. So let's look and see some more shots of the Monstrum Tactical Stealth 4X.